Today we are going to make matcha cookies for Valentine's Day. It's super easy, plant-based, and fun to make. Preheat the oven at 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. We will need 7 ingredients: oil, soy milk, sugar, salt, flour, almond powder, and matcha powder. First, I have a 50 gram of rice oil. The oil can be any kind without strong smell. Canola oil or avocado oil should work. And 50 gram of soy milk, but again, any type of milk will do. Then it goes 40 gram of sugar. Pinch of salt. Combine everything together until there is no more lump in your wet ingredients. The exact measurement is written on my blog. Please check out the description box for the link. At this point, add 90 gram of all-purpose flour, and followed by 90 gram of almond powder. This is what's gonna bring the light, crispy texture to your cookie. Then lastly, add matcha powder. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons, but if you want the brighter green color plus more matcha flavor to your cookie, add 2 teaspoons of it. Then gently mix them all together. I don't post much baking recipes because I'm not good at baking. All the baking recipes I have are easy proven. I have a Dorayaki recipe, which is kind of like a pancake filling with a red bean paste, except I made a sweet potato filling, and also souffle cheesecake in a rice cooker. If you guys try that, tag me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. It's always fun to see your creations with your own twist. When the dough starts to hold it together, switch to your hand and keep kneading. Speaking of Valentine's Day, in Japan, it's a tradition for the women to give some kind of sweet stuff to men. Every year, my brothers brought back some chocolate and cookies, and I was the one who devoured everything. There was always competition going on between my younger brother and older brother, which one got more from their classmates. Do you guys do anything special on Valentine's Day? Now we're gonna roll it out, but if the dough is too soft to play with, cover with a plastic wrap and pop them into the fridge for 1 hour to make it harder. Roll it out into 1/2 inch thick. As you can see, mine doesn't have even thickness, but never mind. Make a heart shape with a cookie cutter for the sake of Valentine's Day. Line these onto the baking sheet, which I already lined with the parchment paper. Remove the excess dough, and we're not gonna toss this away. Put the excess dough together and roll it back up and repeat the same process. Pop them into the oven for between 13 minutes to 15 minutes, or just until the edges are firm. We wanna retain the beautiful green color from the matcha powder, so try not to over bake it. When I was testing, I ended up burning cookies like this. No one in my family touched the cookies. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw these sad looking cookies. While it's baking, let's work on the chocolate frosting. I have a white chocolate, break them into small chunks. I couldn't find the vegan white chocolate, but I wanted to use white chocolate for the presentation on this video. I love the contrast of white and green. So feel free to use any chocolate on hand for this. Just sprinkling powdered sugar will be cute too. Bring the water to a boil in a deep bottom pan and off the heat, and place the bowl on the hot water. Then keep mixing with spatula. Within 1 to 2 minutes, the chocolate will melt like this. Ooh. Back to cookies. When your house starts to smell amazing, it's a good indicator to check on your cookie. Smells so nice and the color is still beautiful green. I think I did okay job on this time. Let them cool on the wire rack, and time to decorate our cookies. You can do whatever you want, but what I did was dip your cookie halfway into the melted chocolate and let it sit until the chocolate gets hard. I keep the warm bath underneath so that the chocolate stays nice and melty. Another version is drizzle over the cookie and create the zigzag pattern. My husband is filming this for me, and as we keep doing, we realize he's more talented on this, so we switch the position. This is my version. I tried this zigzag one a couple times, but I couldn't make it successfully. I am so clumsy when it comes to baking or anything art involved. Who is on for this? Anyway, have fun with it and play with it. It's a perfect activity with kids too. Let me know what your plans are for Valentine's Day in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe and like. It always means a lot when you do. We are so close to the 10,000 subscribers. I can't appreciate it enough for you guys. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. ありがとうございます。Hope to see you soon. またね。バイバイ。
いただきます。よし、どれね、もうタレつけて。